Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Here's a quick shop tip. When you are preparing your lumber, remember this. What you do to one face, you should do to the other face. Why, you ask? It's called balance. If this board was sitting on sticks or not on sticks, maybe it was between two other boards, when you bring it into the workshop, the first thing you want to do is cross cut it to length, to a rough length, so you can easily work with it. Maybe rip it real quick. But then you want it to be up on stickers for a few days so that it can acclimate or stabilize to your environment. Now, if you plane 1/8 of an inch off this face, plane 1/8 of an inch off this face, give or take. That keeps it stable and balanced. And the shop tip also goes for any sort of glue up. If you're gluing something to this face, you have to glue something to this face, or it will be unbalanced. So that's why when you veneer a project, you put a backing veneer here and you put your face veneer here. When you're finishing, varnish, lacquer, shellac, whatever you do on one face, you do the same on the other face. If you follow that tip, you will reduce, if not eliminate, the heartache of bowed and cupped finished products. So that's it, everybody. What you do to one face, you do to the other. Walter out.